Here we have a Gotrax Rival that doesn't want to power on. First step is we're going to replace the console and see if that does the trick.
Yeah.
And Winthrop.
Yeah.
Okay. Winthrop.
I'm trying to replace the console.
Yeah. Cleaning. I work in cleaning and
The connections look pretty decent. There's no obvious erosion or water damage.
Oh, you're still where you were?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
This is a Gotrax Rival. Of note, the GXL-V2s don't actually line up software-wise, so you have to make sure you get the right console. All right, so that's plugged in, and it does turn on. So it in fact is a electronic issue. Let's just do the final test with the motor and make sure that it runs. And we're good. So it's just a console that needed to be replaced. Now we're just gonna go ahead and screw everything back the way we found them. A little bit of advice so you don't snap this plastic piece. Put the plastic piece on first and then do the brake lever later. That way it doesn't snap, because we've had that happen before where you try to put the plastic piece on last and it'll actually snap in, and you know you're waiting a couple weeks to have your brakes working again, which is annoying.
Can I just pull the lever back?
So while we're adjusting that, it feels pretty tight. So we're gonna pull this back lever to give it some extra slack up at the front. And so we're keeping our hand on this back brake caliper just until it gets adjusted up here. So now that it's adjusted up here, you can let go of the brake caliper, make sure that it's still engaging. And in fact it is. A quick test shows that the brake is fine and everything is still intact. No plastic pieces have been snapped off. Everything's nice and tight and secure. Make sure that the cable's inside both. Yeah, and it's looking pretty good.